Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows update error 66A or 13EC for .NET framework. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, then left click on the Settings. Now scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now here click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here guys, you will see Windows Update. Click on Run. Now close and restart your PC. Hopefully this method will work, and in case this method will not work, so open any web browser and search this URL microsoft.com download details.aspx and this ID. So search this URL, then click on download. Now once you download properly, double click on it. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Check this box, then click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. And guys, this may take several minutes, so wait for a while. Now once this complete, click on finish. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and you can resolve Windows update error 66A or 13EC for .NET framework. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.